Hi, welcome to Francois' Math class. Today, our topic to be considered is called geometry 2, that's circles, and the subtopic is equation of a circle giving the length of a diameter. So, when you have this circle and we've been given a diameter, and with a diameter, let's say our A is x1, y1, and our B x2, y2. When you are dealing with the equation of a circle, what mostly we do is we use the center and a point on the circumference. But this time we've been given the length of a diameter, which is on the circumference. So what we can do is that we can use one method, which is the midpoint approach. We can find the midpoint of this. So midpoint of AB, which is half x1 plus x2, then y1 plus y2. So half of each of them, that will give us the midpoint. So with the midpoint, which is C, let's name it A and B. With the midpoint and any of the points, you can use that one to find the equation of the circle. So first, you have to first find the midpoint of the ends of the diameter. When you get the midpoint, you use the midpoint and any of the points. So you can use the midpoint and the A or the midpoint and the B to find the equation of the circle. Let's get one question and see how best we can solve that one. Find the equation of a circle drawn on a diameter PQ, where P 4, 3 and Q 2, -5. So we have the points on the diameter, which is P 4, 3 and RQ 2, -5. So with this, as I said earlier, we have to first find the midpoint. So P midpoint of PQ becomes half of. So these are x1, y1, and these are x2, y2. So with this half of x1, which is 4, plus x2, which is 2, then y1 is 3 plus -5. So we have half of this one will give us 6, this one will give us -2. So the midpoint is 3, -1. 3, -1. So this is our midpoint, and the midpoint here becomes the center. The midpoint, which is the center, C, 3, -1. And let's use this one with the point of P, point P, 4, 3. So we are going to find the equation of a circle, which is x squared plus y squared plus 2j x plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So this is our center. So with our center, we can substitute it into the equation. So x squared plus our y squared plus 2j, and this one we are using the j, so the j becomes -3 x plus 2, f here becomes 1 because the center AB is the same as -jf, so 1 y plus c equal to 0. So we have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y plus c equal to 0. So having gotten that, you can get our c by substituting our point into that. So 4 squared plus 3 squared minus 6 into bracket. Our x is 4 plus 2, y is 3 plus c equal to 0. So this and that is 25, 24. So 25 minus that will give us 1 plus 7. So c is equal to negative 7. So having c to be negative 7, we can substitute it here. So therefore, our equation is x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. And this gives us our equation of the circle where we were given the ends of a diameter. In our next video, we'll consider using an alternative method to solve this equation. Have a nice day and continue to subscribe to Francois Math Class. You can also contact me on 0246 426343. Bye bye.